Hi everyone, this is Yvette here, and I have 3 mini albums to show you. I have 2 baby ones, 2 baby boys and 1 baby girl. These 2 are for my niece who's going to be driving by here tomorrow on Christmas Eve, and she's going to pick them up. Hunter's already about 4 years old, so it's a little bit, I started it a long time ago, and Layla's just a couple of years old. So, or maybe she's just over the year old. But anyways, Rebecca's my niece, and I made these for her, and this one is for my daughter-in-law, Taryn, who had a little baby boy, and I will show you this one last. So I have 3, 2 of them are Mr. Benjamin, and 1 is the All Occasional Mini, and that's the one I'm going to start with. The All Occasional Mini, and my paper collection was is that maybe a bit too much? So the paper collection was Echo Park, and it was Bundle of Joy and Sweet Baby Boy. Bundle of Joy, I think they came out with a couple of collections, so I might have used a couple, and I know I used some of the Sweet Baby just to finish it off. So the album itself is about 6 3/4 wide by 8 1/4 high, and the spine is 3 3/4. I have 140 photo spots in this mini album, and the tutorial that I used is from Kathy King, and it's the original All Occasional Mini, and I altered the pockets on the inside covers, and I also made the spine, I think, bigger than it usually is, and I changed the pockets to, she had 1 page design in here, and I just took that page design and designed all of them with that idea to give Rebecca more room for photos. So I will start with the mini album. This is the spine, and then there's the back. And she's got still lots of room for photos in there. So, and this was my design in the cover here. So you have room for a photo, and then it opens this way, and then you have all the 12 months in here. So I have the first 6 here, and I have the last 6 in the back cover. And because the page design is a little shorter here, she's got to trim this photo to a 3.5. So either you trim your photo a little bit smaller than this and keep a white border, or you can cover it with your photo. So there's 1 month, and I didn't want to stamp place photo here on all of them, just in case she wants to journal on some of them. I really liked how this turned out. She can do a bit of journaling here too. She needs to put the dates, and here there's a pocket with just a tag. And then 2 photos here, and these are 3 3/4 by 3 by I think it's 5.5. So she'll cut the picture just a little bit smaller, or else cut it the same size, or she can journal on there too. So the first page is, and I'm pretty sure this one has 8. Yeah, it has 8 pages. So you've got room for 3 photos in this insert here. And then there's inserts here. So this, I just did a couple just so she could see what it would look like. She could do a 4x6. She could journal. She could do a little bit bigger. You could do 4 small ones. You could also do some on the back if you wish. So that's the insert. So then it opens like that. And then there's this flip here. And I did include some of these calendars for her so she could fill out some of the baby things that happened throughout his first year. So I did a bunch of them. I'll just take them out so you can see the pattern paper. There we go. So we start with this here, and there's a little mini page layout here, so 4 pictures there, and there's room behind here so that you can put your photo down and then stick it down. And here there's a little tip-in, and it's a pocket. A journaling card here, and then there's another one here. Photo mats are all the same, so I probably won't pull them all out, but they're all the same. Sticker, and then here there's another little mini page layout. 4x6, a 3x4, and a 3x3. And she could add more journaling there too if she would like. This is also my design. I don't think this came in the original, but it's a waterfall, so just to give her more room for more photos. And you can definitely put photos on both sides. You can do a little bit of journaling, and then there's a bit of pattern paper. And it's held with a magnet. Another photo mat there. So this one we have another page design. So there's a 4x6, 3x3, and this one's probably a 2x3. A few little stickers. I did a little bit of page decoupage there just to make a nice little layout. And I did use some of the chipboard that came with the paper collection. And then we have another tip-in, and it's a pocket. And then we have this, and there's room for 4x6 in here. And she could probably put more if she wanted to. There's room for definitely more photos in here. She could also do a photo on the outside if she wishes to. So that's the insert, just layering. Like I say, I started this one 4 years ago, so it's been a while. And here there's another pocket, another piece of chipboard, and then there's another little layout with some banners, and this is also, you can tuck your photo underneath there. So 2 2x2s, a 3x3, or a 3x4. This is, I'm not sure if it's a full 4x6, but it's pretty close. So that's that page, and then it repeats the first page again. So we have the insert here with the three photos, room for 3 photos, or journaling, whatever she wishes. Another photo mat. And then here there's room for 3 3x3s, or 4 3x3s. And then there's room for the photo behind that. And the calendars fit in these pockets. We have another tip-in, another pocket, another photo mat, chipboard. This was a journaling card from the collection. Flip it over, we have 4x4s. This is a die that I use, and just need a little giraffe. I'll probably be making more of those because they're really cute. And then we have the waterfall again, just it repeats. And then photo mat. Then I have a page pocket here, a chipboard. This one opens, another little page layout, so 3 photos up here and 2 down here. Then we have another insert, 4x6s. I like this little insert, it's cute. I also added the Impinj Plus to this mini album. And then here I have the last page, and it's another little layout, 4x6 photos there. And then we have again the back, and again now I've got the 7th month, the 8th month, the 9th month, the 10th, the 11th, and the full year, and then another tag down here. So So if you would like to see how I made this, let me know, and I can maybe do a tutorial on the back page and show you guys how I made it. So that is the baby book that I made for my great nephew Hunter. Like I say, he's already 4 years old, so they're driving by our place for Christmas. So I'm gonna give her her Hunter's and Layla's, and I will come back with Layla's baby girl mini in a second. So from our place to yours, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you. Bye.